Good morning, my kindergarten friends. I'm Miss Calametti from Griggs Elementary, and I'll be here to teach you your math lesson today. Today we are going to be learning about counting to 20 and recognizing our numbers 1 through 20. So to begin, I want everybody to stand up. We're going to do a little movement. All right, so let's count to 20 and clap at the same time. So every time I clap, I'm going to say a number, and I want you to do it with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. All right, now we're going to tiptoe to 20 very quietly. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. All right, now let's do arm circles to 20. Can you do arm circles like this? Good job. All right, let's do 20 arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's count together one last time to 20, and this time we're going to march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good job. There are tons of things that you can count to 20 at home. You can count steps, you can count while you're running, all kinds of things. So I hope you have some great ideas of things that you can count while you're doing at home. Now that we have counted to 20, let's look at our numbers to 20. Here are our numbers to 10. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we go to our teen numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's try that together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this that I have created, I've just used a marker and 2 pieces of paper. We have a row of 5, another row of 5 boxes, another row of 5 boxes, and another row of 5 boxes. And I put my numbers in order to 20. I call this a number parking lot, and this is something that you can make at home, and I'm going to show you an activity to do with it. So we have our number parking lot. And a lot of you have toy cars at home or some other kind of toy. You can use any kind of toy. And I am going to drive my car on my number parking lot. So let's start with the number 8. I have put my car on the number 8 parking spot. Then a grown-up or a family member can call out another number, and we need to figure out which parking spot we're going to put our car in. So we've started with 8. Let's drive to number 1. Can you point to number 1 for me? Which direction am I going to go for number 1? That's right. Let's drive this way and up and park our car in the number 1 parking spot. Okay, now let's start with another number we know. Let's do number 10. Can you point to where number 10 is? How do I get to number 10? That's right. I'm going to drive all the way across and down to number 10. Good job. All right, now let's try number 11. Where is number 11? Very good. Let's go down and across and park our car on number 11. All right, here's a little trickier one. How about number 17? Do you see number 17 on our number parking lot? That's right. It's right down here and 1 over. Then I can find the number 17 in my number parking lot. Let's try a few more of those together. Let's do number 7. That's right. Number 7 is just straight up. Very good. How about number 14? Where's number 14? Good job. I'm going to drive my car down and a little over and put it on number 14. Let's try an easier one. What about number 3? Where's number 3? Good job. Back up and 1 over. And our last one we're going to do is number 4. Good job. Number 4 is just right over. This is a great activity that you can practice. If you are still working on your numbers 1 through 10, you can do a 1 through 10 parking lot. If you are working on identifying numbers 1 through 20, you can do all of your numbers 1 through 20 on 2 different pages. And if you're really good, you can mix the numbers up and make it a little bit more difficult. All right, so that is our number parking lot, a great activity that you can try at home with your family. Our next activity we're going to work on is creating our own number path. So do you know what number this is? Good job. Some of you are saying 13. That's right. And if I'm going to make a number path from 1 to 20, I'm going to start my number path on this side of my table and end it on the other side of my table. I'll start on this side of the table and end on this side of the table. So I have made some number cards. I've just cut a piece of paper in half and written my numbers 1 through 20 on the pieces of paper. You can do them on note cards. You can cut a paper into fourths if you don't have a lot of pieces, but they're very easy to make at home. So this is the number 13. If I'm starting with 1 down here and have 20 at the end, let's go ahead and find those numbers. Here's number 20. I'm going to put down at the end. And then I'm going to find my number 1 and put it at the beginning. So if I have the number 13, where on my number line do you think that the number 13 will go? Will it be closer to 1, closer to 20, or somewhere in the middle? That's right. I think I'm going to put it closer to the middle, and we'll go from there. All right, number 7. This is number 7. That's right. Where will I put number 7? Will it be near 1, near 13, near 20, somewhere in between? What do you think? That's right. Number 7 is going to go in between number 1 and number 13. So let's put that number 7 card in between. All right, number 12. Where do we think number 12 would go if we're building our number path? That's right. We know that 12 is 1 less than 13, so we're going to put it right before number 13. Now we have number 19. Good job. Yes, number 19 is going to go right before number 20 at the end of our number path. Number, what is this? 16. Great job. Where will number 16 go? I have 1, 7, 12, 13, 19, and 20. Would 16 go between 1 and 7? No, that doesn't go there. What about between 7 and 12? No, not there either. What about between 13 and 19? Yes, that's where we'll put 16. 16 will go in between 13 and 19 because we know that 13 is less than 16 and 19 is more than 16. All right, who can tell me what our next number is? That's right, this is number 18. So where do you think number 18 is going to go on our number path? I know it's larger than 1, larger than 7. Is it larger than 12 and 13? Yes. What about 16? Yes, it's larger than 16. And 19, we know it's smaller than 19, so we are going to put, that's right, it's 1 less than 19. So let's put the 18 right before the 19. All right. What number is this one? That's right, that's 4. Where will we put 4 on our number path? Good job. Our 4 is going to go between our 1 and our 7. Now we have number 15. I know it's our a teen number, so it's going to go somewhere here in the teens. And we know that 15 is 1 less than 16. So let's put this right before the 16. Great job. All right. What number is this? 6. Very good. So let's put 6 right before the 7. Very good. Now we have 5, and we know that 5 is 1 less than 6 and 1 more than 4. Very good. So we'll stick our 5 here between our 4 and our 6. Number 11, that's right. Where will 11 go on my number path? That's right. Let's put it between the 7 and the 12. All right, so we're getting a little squished on my table here, so I'm going to move my teen numbers down so we can have a little space. We can see all of our numbers. And then our numbers 1 through 10 will move up a little bit. Okay, so who knows what number this is? That's right, that's number 17, and I already see the number that is 1 less than 17 and 1 more than 17. So what 2 numbers in my teen numbers do you think come before and after 17? Very good. 17 comes between 16 because 16 is 1 less than 17 and 18 is 1 more. All right, what number is this number? Very good, that's 14. Where will 14 go in my teen numbers? Between 11 and 12? No. 12 and 13? No, not there. 13 and 15? That's right, that's where it goes. So we'll put 14 there. Now we have number 3. Where will number 3 go? Yep, that's right. 3 is 1 less than 4. So we will put it in between the 1 and the 4. What about number 10? We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll put our 10 before the 11. Good job. Number 2. Yep, between the 1 and the 3, because 1 is 1 less than 2, and 3 is 1 more than 2. Very good. Number 9 will come before 10. Very good. And then our number 8 will come in between our 7 and our 9. Very good. So now we have taken our number cards and created our own number path. And if I had a big long table, I would stretch these all the way across so I would have all my numbers lined up from 1 to 20. So let's look at our number path now and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. And just like Miss Thompson said in her previous lesson, let's everybody kiss your brain, because you did such a good job on that activity. This is a great activity to practice at home. You can just continue to use those cards and mix them up and create your number line. Very good. All right, so I have a few more great activities that I would like for you to try at home before we meet again for our math lesson on Thursday. And these are some great number recognition activities. Our smartboard doesn't seem to be working today. Technology can be kind of crazy, so I'm going to show you as best as I can with our number cards. So a great activity that I like to do with my friends to get outside and to get moving is to create number hopscotch. So you can take some sidewalk chalk, you can take some tape and create boxes, or you can just put down your number cards. And as I count, I like to hop from box to box on my hopscotch and count my numbers all the way to 20. You can start with 10 and then you can work to your teen numbers. Sometimes I like to throw a little toy in whatever box it lands in. I hop to count that number. So number hopscotch is a fun way to get outside and get moving and practice counting those numbers from 1 to 20. Another great activity to do with sidewalk chalk is to create a number path on the ground. And as someone in your family calls out the number, they could call out 9, and you would run to 9 on your number path. And then they would call out another number, 17, and you'd have to think about, is it a smaller number and run this way? Is it a larger number and this way? And find that number on the number path. Or 8, and you'd have to think about which direction you have to go and find that number. Another fun activity to do is to take popsicle sticks or even pieces of paper and write those numbers on the popsicle sticks or the pieces of paper and put them around the yard and go for a number hunt. So a family member could call out a number, number 7, and you have to run around the yard and find that number. And then once you bring all of your numbers back, you can put them in order with your popsicle sticks or your cards, just like we did here, and make a number path or a number line. And I think those are all the activities that I have today. So let's practice a few more times counting to 20 and identifying these numbers. So I'm going to mix my numbers up and hold up the cards and see if you can tell me what number I'm holding up. Let's start with, what's this? Number 8. Great job. What number? 1. Awesome. 2. 3. Looks like I need to mix up my numbers a little bit more. All right. Number 6. Great job. 10, 11, 13, 14. What number is this? 5. Great job. 19, 4. What about this one? 9. Very good. What number is this? 20. 17. 18 and 7. Awesome job. All right, let's do a few more counting activities and then we will be finished for the day. All right, let's try skipping to 20. Are you ready? Stand up with me and I want to see you move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. All right, now let's snap to 20. Are you ready to snap with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent job. All right, the last one we're going to do is going to be kind of crazy. Are you ready? We are going to spin to 20. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Whew, that made me dizzy. I hope you're not too dizzy. All right, well, that's all that we have for today. I hope that you got some great activities that you can count and recognize your numbers to 20. And then when we come back on Thursday, we will be counting objects to 20. So I want you to get some collections of things together so we can practice counting. All right, I will see y'all Thursday. Thank you.